Hi, welcome to Norah's Cooking Diary Season 4 Episode 2. In this video, I'm going to share with you a pork rib skin recipe. These mouth-watering, delicious, crispy and moist fried ribs are covered with sweet and savory sauce with a hint of tanginess. They are packed with wonderful flavors and textures that will overwhelm you on every bite. Pork rib skin is an extremely popular classic Chinese dish in Malaysia and Singapore and is also easy to prepare. Pork rib skin or Páigǔ wáng in Mandarin Chinese is also known as Kyoto pork ribs, Peking ribs or Jingdu Páigǔ in some places. You might find that there are different ways one could prepare this delicious dish. There is no right or wrong recipe. Keep watching and I will share with you how I cook this pork rib skin recipe. If you like this video, please press the like button to give the video a thumbs up. Please also consider subscribing if you haven't already. And don't forget to check out my cooking tips in the description below. Happy cooking!